Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to technicality initialize a high-end lead capture system in Klaviyo by navigating the professional search tools to launch your studio-level market analysis. Let's get into it. First, execute the rapid search protocol. The first step is a mechanical necessity to bypass amateur quality menu navigation. The global search bar is the most technicality-efficient way to enter the Studio Creation Suite. Click in the search bar located at the very top of your Klaviyo home screen. You should technicality see a suggestion that says Create Signup Form. Click it to jump straight into the professional workflow. Utilizing the automated suggestion is a professional standard. It technicality prepares your workspace for a high-end session by skipping the manual list view loading, ensuring your professional bookkeeping starts immediately. Next, technicality select your high-end template. To maintain a high-end aesthetic for your market analysis, you must choose a professional studio template that aligns with your brand identity. Browse the library of templates. You can technicality filter for pop-ups, flyouts, or embedded forms. Pick a high-end design that technicality matches your professional intent and link it to your primary subscriber list. A well-chosen template is a mechanical necessity for conversion optimization. It technicality ensures that your candid sign-up process feels like a professional extension of your high-end studio branding. Next, initialize the studio editing workspace. Once your template is selected, you can technicality begin the candid refinement of your professional asset. Click the Select Template button to technicality open the drag-and-drop editor. Start by clicking on the text blocks or images to technicality customize the high-end content for your audience. Entering the editor is a professional standard. It technicality allows you to bridge the gap between a generic template and a high-end professional tool tailored for your specific market analysis. When you're done, click the Done or Save button in the top right corner. And that's pretty much it. To create your form in 2026, click the top search bar and technicality select the Create Signup Form suggestion. Choose your high-end template, click to select it, and technicality begin editing in the Professional Studio workspace. Finally, verify your blocks and save to ensure your 2026 bookkeeping is technicality perfect. This professional workflow ensures your 2026 lead capture is high-end and optimized. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.